Are you looking for unique ways to attract dates? Believe it or not, your pet can be an incredible asset. First, they serve as an instant conversation starter. When you're out walking your dog, people are naturally inclined to approach you to ask about your pet. This opens the door for engaging discussions. Second, let your pet showcase your nurturing side. A person who sees how lovingly you treat your animal will be intrigued and find you more appealing. Third, consider pet-friendly events. Attending dog parks or pet expos not only gives your pet socialization, but also places you in environments filled with like-minded individuals who share a love for animals. Fourth, use your pet's social media presence. Sharing cute moments of your pet online can attract attention and spark interactions from potential dates who admire your pet's cuteness. Lastly, get involved in community pet activities. Volunteering at animal shelters or participating in pet charity events shows your compassion and commitment, drawing in others who value similar traits. By integrating your pet into your dating life, you create opportunities for deep connections and memorable conversations. So, leverage your furry companion to attract the right kind of attention.